Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making omelets. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can make omelets. You can make it all meat, you can make veggie, you can make a combination of both. But today we're making your basic ham and cheese omelet. I'm going to show you how to cook it perfectly every time. Do me a quick favor, click that thumbs up button, like this video, subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you get notifications when I post new videos. Now, let's make this omelet. Here's what we're going to need to make our omelet. We're going to need some shredded cheese. I shred my own, usually get a block of Colby Jack cheese. The reason you want to shred your own is if you buy shredded cheese at the store, it's got a caking agent on it and it doesn't get as creamy and nice and tastes kind of dry sometimes. So shredded cheese. We're going to use chunked ham that we bought at the store also. Sometimes I use lunch meat, just cut that up. You're going to need 2 brown eggs. I like brown eggs because they taste better. Support a local farmer. A little salt, a little pepper, and a bowl to mix it all up. So the first thing we're going to do here is crack our eggs into our bowl. One thing I did forget to mention is I usually put a little dash of water in there. Basically, salt and pepper to your taste, and we're going to mix these up. Now, I like to use just a regular old fork and mix these. Just kind of mix until it's all mixed pretty good. And we're going to pan warm it up with some butter. Now, I usually use 2 pans, because in one pan, I'm going to put my ham. And basically, I just am going to warm the ham through. It gets a little bit of color on the outside, and then it's warm. When I put it inside the omelet, I don't have to worry about it being cold. So we're just going to let that warm while we cook our omelet. All right, so we got our butter melted in the pan here. We're going to take our eggs, put them right in. And basically, we're not going to touch this at all. So you see right around the edges here, we want to get that so it looks like it's cooking pretty good. Now, we don't want our eggs runny in the omelet. So basically, I'm going to just kind of start from the edge, push it to the middle, and let all that egg basically get underneath and start cooking. Because we're going to flip this in just a minute. All right, so most of it's cooked already. So we're going to let it firm up just for a minute here. Then we're going to flip it and get our ingredients in. All right, this is pretty good. You notice it's not stuck to the pan. So we're going to flip this right over. We're going to take our ham that we've already browned. See how nice and brown that is? We're going to spread that out just on one side of the omelet because we're going to fold this in half. We're going to get our shredded cheese in here. I like a lot of cheese. Plus this melts up really good. And we're just going to fold this over. We're going to let that set for just a minute and heat. Now we're just going to flip this right over, warm up the other side, and it's time to get this on the plate. Alright, let's cut into this and see what this looks like. Oh yeah. Look at that. Well, that ham, nice creamy cheese. Let's give this a try. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. Cheesy ham goodness. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for stopping at my channel. And we'll see you next time.